It is 0 right now outside. Today is the coldest Valentine's Day in 100 years. The old record was 2 degrees set in 1916. So yeah, today's the... It's so sad exactly 100 years ago. So what, every 100 years they're going to break new records? Oh man. Well, thank you for watching. Bye. Coldest Valentine's Day in 100 years. Currently 0 degrees, and they're even issuing freezing spray warnings and advisories to the coastal waters.
Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex and Northern New London, and in New Jersey, Western Passaic, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, Northern Westchester and Southern Westchester. Wind chill warning remains in effect until noon today. Locations: Southern Connecticut, the lower Hudson Valley and portions of northeast New Jersey. Hazard types: dangerous to potentially life-threatening wind chills. Timing: this morning. Wind chill, 25 to 30 degrees below zero. Winds, northwest 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Impacts, though frigid conditions will be extremely dangerous to those venturing outside. Prolonged exposure will cause frostbite. The combination of very low wind chills and frigid air temperatures have the potential to result in frozen pipes, frostbite, and hypothermia. A wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and strong winds will create dangerously low wind chill values. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken. Outdoor exposure should be limited. If you are heading outdoors, dress in layers and keep your hands and head covered to protect against frostbite. For the following area in New Jersey, Sussex, wind chill warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. this afternoon. Locations: the Poconos in Sussex County of far northwestern New Jersey. Wind chill values 20 to 30 degrees below zero. Winds northwest around 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Impacts: wind chill values reaching dangerous levels. The combination of very low wind chills and frigid air temperatures have the potential to result in frozen pipes, frostbite, and hypothermia. A wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and strong winds will create dangerously low wind chill values. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken. For the following areas in New Jersey: Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Western Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk. Wind chill advisory remains in effect until noon today. Locations: New York City, Long Island and portions of northeastern New Jersey. Hazard types: dangerous wind chills. Time: this morning. Wind chill 15 to 24 degrees below zero. Winds northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Impacts: though frigid conditions will be dangerous to those venturing outside. Prolonged exposure may cause frostbite. The combination of very low wind chills and frigid air temperatures have the potential to result in frozen pipes, frostbite, and hypothermia. Here is the latest weather map discussion. After a dangerously cold start this morning, temperatures will struggle to rise into the lower to mid-teens and wind chills above zero despite plenty of sunshine and diminishing winds in the afternoon. With clear skies to start, tonight will again be frigid before clouds begin to move into the area ahead of the next system. Temperatures will fall below zero across typically cooler locations north and west of New York City, interior dropping into the lower 40s after midnight. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. Tuesday, rain. Rain may be heavy at times. Breezy and not as cool with highs in the lower 50s. Southeast winds 15 to 20 miles per hour, becoming south in the afternoon. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain showers in the evening. Lows in the mid-30s. Chance of rain 30%. The Central Park, New York climate summary for yesterday, February 13, 2016. Yesterday's high temperature was 22 degrees. This high was 19 degrees below the normal high of 41. The record high of 64 degrees, which was set in 1951. Yesterday's low temperature was 6. This low was 23 degrees below the normal low of 29. The record low is -1 degree, which was set in 1914. The mean temperature was 14 degrees and was 21 degrees below the normal of 35. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 1.33 inches. This is 0.06 inches below the normal amount of 1.39 inches for February. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 5.74 inches, which is 0.70 inches above normal. No snow fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 2.6 inches. The total snowfall for the season still stands at 29.8 inches. There were 51 heating degree days yesterday, which is 21 above normal. This brings the monthly total to 372, which is 31 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 2,334, which is 758 below normal. The normal high temperature for today is 41 degrees, and the normal low is 29. The record high for today is 63, which occurred in 1946, and the record low is 2, which occurred in 1916. Sunrise today is at 6:52 a.m. and sunset is at 5:29 p.m. Here is the extended forecast. Wednesday, partly sunny. A chance of rain and snow showers in the morning, then a chance of rain showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 40s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the upper 20s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Friday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 40s. Here is the air quality index forecast from state environmental agencies. The New York City forecast air quality index is 27. This is good. The Ramapo, New Jersey forecast air quality index is 35. This is good. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Gale warning in effect until 10 a.m. this morning. Freezing spray advisory in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. For today, northwest winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 40 knots, diminishing to around 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots later this morning. Seas 3 to 7 feet, subsiding to 2 to 4 feet this afternoon. Freezing spray. For tonight, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. For Monday, south winds 5 to 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas around 2 feet. A chance of snow in the morning, then rain with snow likely in the afternoon. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. And for Monday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming south 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 3 feet, building to 4 to 7 feet after midnight. Rain. The marine forecast for New York Harbor, including Raritan Bay. Small craft advisory in effect until 1 p.m. this afternoon. For today, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots this afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet early this morning, then 1 foot or less. For tonight, west winds 5 to 10 knots, diminishing to around 5 knots after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. For Monday, south winds 5 to 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less.
availability 123